Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming. In the last video here, FrontEnd-Intro07, we began writing the CSS for our version 2 of our to-do list. And I left off at about time to start talking about buttons. And just to quickly go over a couple of the things that are in here. I'm not going to keep going over everything. We want some padding around our buttons, a little space. The background color will be steel blue. Alright. There's no border. We'll have a little bit of roundedness. Here's the font size. When we put our cursor on something, it'll change to a pointer, and we've got a little transitional background coloring. When we hover, we'll have a different background color. Alright, a little bit darker blue. Now let's start to do our list. Which was set up as an ID. No list style, so we won't have any numbering on it or lettering on it, etc. Now for each individual list item, put in a little padding, give it a background color. Oops, not done yet. Notice I put border here, not border, not obviously. Alrighty, we're getting some progress here. All right, we're going to have a backdrop in here that's going to be hidden, and this is the thing that's going to appear when we click the delete button. So it'll ask us if we're sure we want to delete this. And I might have changed the name of some of these, so if it doesn't work, I have to make sure that the name between what's here and what's in the HTML is the same. So it's hidden by default with the display none. I'm going to give it a fixed position. That'll set the top, right, left, and bottom, everything in there to 0. Again, you can learn to spell. I'm going to set what's called a Z index on here too. And what'll happen is it'll make sure that it shows when it should. All right, I'm going to do the text align after this. Yeah, this isn't done yet, so. Fix this one here. All right, we're getting there. Not too much left to go here. Title. Alright, a little bit more, then I'm going to stop here and we'll finish it in the next video. Alright. I'm actually doing this too fast because I'm copying from what I'd done earlier. That's it. And I'm at, oh, I'm only at 12 minutes, so that's good. Maybe I can't finish this now. Now, I can almost guarantee you there are going to be mistakes in here. So I'm going to put it all in, and then in the next video, I'll figure out what my mistakes are, and then we'll go into the JavaScript. And our button cancel and our button hover, and then we're done. Oh, this has been long. Oops, not 9.2. 2S. We'll darken this a little bit, so. Finally, our dot button delete. And our dot button delete hover. All right. Alright, that's everything, and that's 200 lines of CSS. That's almost as much CSS for most files that I've ever written. So, file, save all. Again, there's probably mistakes in here. Let's go back and run it and see what it looks like now. Oops, I guess I can get that over there. Okay. It's not great, but it's not terrible. It's just it's about where I want it to be. So, all right, we'll stop right here and we'll pick it up on the next video then. See you then.